We are here with Fred, and he's going to tell us. I'll ask him a few questions, and he's going to reply. This is your Tesla, correct?
Yeah.
You're not a paid actor.
No.
Okay, just making sure. What do you think on a 1 to 10 the quality of work that was done for you here at El Paso?
Honestly, I would say 10. There's no bubbles or anything. It looks great. It looks beautiful.
Yes. Okay.
Changes the whole look of the car.
So, would you recommend us to like high-end vehicles or?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course. Heck yeah.
How long did we take? We told you how long it was going to take, and when did we have it?
It's only 4 days, but you were done in 3, so that helps out because I'm heading out of El Paso.
And as far as the progress reports, were you sent any notices of how it was done, what was being done to it, or?
Yeah, that was one of my favorite parts was the pictures that I would receive every day. So
Awesome.
it got me excited to see it. That was
Okay.
great work.
So PasoVehicleWraps.com is recommended.
Yep, very much. So.
Thank you so much, Fred.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Fred, thank you. You approve of your son's decision?
Yes, totally, 100%.